gonna chew and then they're gonna go to the next reel.
I have it on you right now. I'm not gonna sit here and chew an apple in front of it. Judgy Mickey. Made him get up with me. I said I made him get up with me. We're that couple. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating my apple, and then we're gonna go get an upper body workout in. Okie dokie, let's go. Ready? Okay, so there's lots of yogurt now, buddy.
What?
There's plenty of yogurt now.
Okay. Do I eat this other thing empty this too?
Ask Bailey if she wants some too.
There's another thing of cherries in there.
No, there's not. Well, like, yeah, frozen ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's
No,
good.
not frozen. Like they're called like this. Mister, where's your sister?
Okay, we did it. We did a thing. We got the new coffee machine. I'm gonna turn it on so it's ready to go when I'm ready for it, but I'm so excited. We did a couple test runs yesterday and it's pretty slick. So I'll show you when I pour our coffees in a bit. Cocoa powder in my honey.
Let's do that.
fun now, don't you?
Well, turn to the side.
Okay, so this little hose plugs into the side, and so instead of having the classic steam wand, just a second, honey. So what are you making? I put honey in your cup for you.
Thanks, honey.
What, honey? Oh, okay, I get to make a towel.
I think I'm gonna make a latte macchiato.
Okay, so you pick your bean strength, and then was this set for an extra shot too?
Oh, no? How do I do that?
Well, you can't do it now, just leave it. So he's gonna increase the time that it's sucking from the milk container, so that'll increase his milk volume.
I see the white milk almond.
There's your espresso, so you can change your volume on your espresso too. I think I'd leave it. I think that's gonna be a nice shot, otherwise it'll be more watery, right? Remember to do yourselves a favor and eat your breakfast before you drink your coffee, friends. Your hormones will thank you. Okay, I'm gonna do an Americano.
Try it?
Good. See, I don't know if I'm wrong to have upped the volume on the espresso, because the hot water will pour next. So maybe I should have left the espresso at 3 ounces, because maybe this is just watering it down.
No. Look at it. It's the crema.
It smells really
It's
good.
the crema.
It smells really good.
Love one another.
Okay, we got showered. I filmed a reel. Got ready, obviously. Now I am just thinking ahead to the next. My daughter's vacuuming and something just crashed. I'm thinking to the next few days worth of meals so that I'm on it with those. So I grabbed a chuck roast out of the freezer. I'll leave that out all day, throw it in the fridge tonight, and do a crock pot meal. I don't know if I'll do tomorrow or if I'll do it Sunday, but either way it'll be ready to go. And then I grabbed 3 packages of ground beef out. We'll use that for taco meat tonight. We're gonna do taco salads. We lost our toilet paper holder. That's what the bang was. And then obviously we'll just have lots of leftover taco meat. I don't know if I'll probably only cook 2 of the packages for tonight. So anyway, always thinking to the next meal. How does this go in here? Oh, I see. Always thinking of the next meal and what I need to do to be prepared ahead of time so that things are smooth and simple. So I have about half an hour before I need to get early lunch going. This is on. Because we have hockey this afternoon at like 12:15, so obviously we have to leave fairly early to have him dressed and on the ice for that time. So in the meantime, before I have to get lunch ready, I'm gonna take like 15 minutes and just start getting this morning's videos loaded onto the computer so I can start stringing them together. That way it's less overwhelming once I have the whole day done and I can get it uploaded to YouTube sooner. So it's kind of been my goal is to work in stages if I can. That way I'm not sitting down and needing like a big chunk of time to get it together. But a little behind the scenes of me learning to manage my life and have a little YouTube channel.
Daddy's home.
Is he? Maybe I need to get going then on lunch. All right, we had less time than we thought, but that's okay. We are gonna start working on lunch and do this later this afternoon. I'm gonna do meatballs for most of the family. I'm gonna do chicken. There's not enough meatballs for all of us to do it. But I'll just heat them up in the air fryer for like 5 minutes.
I was trying to bag up. Oh, this is sticky. Can I do that one?
Scoop a little bit. So the best way I've found for heating up pre-cooked chicken is in a pan with a splash of water and throw a lid on, and then it puts moisture right back into the chicken, so you're not eating dried out chicken. So if you haven't tried that, that's your little tip. They go better with what? Okay, see how good and crispy the air fryer does for these meatballs? And so fast too. Okay, I can't believe you don't like this, Riley, but we're gonna make the best dessert. Kate, you want one, right?
What?
A date?
I think hot chocolate sounds good.
Okay.
What, you hate
What do you mean you
it?
can't believe I don't like it? I haven't even tried.
Well, yeah, but you always say you don't like dates.
I like dates wrapped in bacon.
Okay, well, think of dates with a little bit of butter, a piece of dark chocolate, and some sea salt. It's like sweet and salty.
Okay,
Okay, do you want to try one?
sure.
Okay. You got butter. Piece of dark chocolate. I should actually put this on the butter so it sticks. There. All right, try it. Tell me your thoughts. They're like candy to me. Yeah, you can in a second, but do you like them? It's pretty delicious. These dates are so good. They're the ones I grabbed at Costco yesterday, and they're really fresh. They still have the pit in them, and they're like, they're not tough, right? Like they're soft,
pretty good.
and it's
Good
literally
luck,
like candy.
Betty Grace?
I didn't.
It's so good.
Is this for mine?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I made myself a coffee, a latte, a little bit of maple syrup, decaf latte. Now the kids wanted hot chocolate, so we put cocoa powder and maple syrup in the bottom of their cup. We poured hot water.
No what?
And now we're gonna move it over here, and you're gonna click milk foam. Yep. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Oh crap, it's going
Perfectly foamed. There, perfect. Okay, so not pictured on this what I ate in a day, because I forgot. We came home from hockey and I kind of had the munchies, so there was like 2 meatballs left over from lunch, so I quickly just ate those, and a couple of my daughter's orange slices just to eat something to take the edge off, and then we're gonna be eating kind of an early supper because we have a soccer game tonight, so we'll probably eat at like 4:30. And I'm gonna do the taco salad. So right now I'm gonna do a quick dishwasher unload, reload, tidy the kitchen, and then I'm gonna prep like all of our chopped salad stuff. So that's the plan. So I'm just gonna kind of get a couple of things ready so that later I'm just cooking the beef and we're good to eat. Okay, don't judge. I know you're judging, but I'm making an Element hot chocolate with an Americano in it. So, and a little bit of cream. Just sounded cozy. And I'm having fun with my machine, so this isn't normal every day. Normally I would do my Element hot chocolate just with water and cream, but I'm adding the decaf espresso as well. So it's just for today. I decided not to bother with chopping up my lettuce and cucumbers because they're so fast to do. And I brought pre-washed lettuce, so I'm not having to like deal with spinning lettuce or anything. So I'm gonna sip on this and then do a little bit more house tidy up because I feel like every time I turn around, something else has happened. So I also have some laundry to flip around. So just gonna do a few of those things. And I will catch you at supper time and show you my dinner. Forgot I had a jar of banana peppers, so I'm gonna chop some of those up to go in the salad too. Cut up some lime wedges. We can squeeze that over the salad. My kids are requesting like a traditional salad dressing and they want their meat on the side, so I might just quickly mix that up for them too. The one that my one son loves is like apple cider vinegar, olive oil. Ooh, I might not have olive oil. That might pose a problem. Go blow your nose. So we'll see what I can come up with here because he loves salad, like loves it. And we haven't actually had salad for quite a while, so I might do that for him. Okay, so I found some liquid coconut oil that I had in the cupboard. And then I did apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do some maple syrup and salt and pepper, and I'll mix it up and see how that tastes. Okay, so I ended up adding a little bit more apple cider vinegar, but otherwise I had my little chef come and taste it and he approved it, so easy as that. Now he can have his salad on the side of his meat. And the rest of us are gonna do probably salsa on ours and mix it all together. So this is the raw cheese you can find at Costco. It's raw cheddar. It is so yummy. It's aged 5 years, so it's really sharp, which is my favorite. My husband doesn't love if it's like on his eggs and quite a bit of it because he doesn't love the sharp flavor as much, but I love it. And my kids seem to like it too. So I find rice crackers give salad a really good crunch and my kids love them, but if I put rice crackers out, they will just go crazy on them and forget to eat the rest of their meal. So I have found I like to just stick like a select amount on their bowls. And then if they're full and they've eaten enough meat and all that, they still want a couple more at the end, I will allow them. But I just find otherwise it turns into a free-for-all. They fight over the crackers and they eat way too many crackers and won't eat their meat. So little mom hack for you. Pre-portion these things. Okay, here's our little salad setup. So this is mine, Riley's, then we have the kids.
My name's
and meat. So then I'll portion the kids' meat before we eat. And then everyone can choose their cheese, squeeze a lime, salad dressing, or salsa. So that's our supper. Lime. I wish I had cilantro. So I did 6 ounces of ground beef, all the lettuce, the banana peppers, 20 grams of the shredded sharp cheddar, some salsa, the squeeze of lime. Yum. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm done eating for the day, so that gives you a gist of what I ate in a day. let me know if you like these kinds of videos, and we will see you on the next vlog.